Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna be speaking in my language, Tagalog. And as you can see, I it looks like I just woke up because I did. And yeah, there you go. And it's like too early. It's like 7:40 a.m. Oh my gosh, my parents are still asleep, so I don't just go to bed. Yo. I just feel so sleepy and it's like the wrong time to do this, but it's a part 2 and I really want to do it for you guys. And my goal is to reach 100 subscribers, so please subscribe. It's okay if the comments are off, I don't care. I'm on my dad's account. He has a lot of work to do. Okay. Wait lang. Di pa nag-start. I will get the Filipina me, okay? I actually have a tweet. I'm just kidding. Just a Filipino tweet. Hi, ako si Filipina Chacha. Tatawa ba ako dun? Grabe. Tsaka ito sa cellphone ko. Joke lang. Ayoko yung BTS. Gusto ko yung Bini. Ano? Salamin. Nako. Cellphone na ng nanay ko. Or mama. Or ina. Anyways, mag-Roblox na tayo. Wait lang. Mag-isip tayo ng laro. Okay, kaya na. Alam mo bakit gusto ko mag-part 2? Kasi gusto ko masanay ng Tagalog. Galing-galing ko. Kasi parang English era ako eh. Hindi talaga ako na Tagalog. Okay lang ako. Ano tayo? Shrimp game? Or may 4 options tayo ha. Wait lang. Ha? 4 options ba? Wait lang, di ako sa CR. Yung mga games na nilaro ko. So, okay. Have 4 options. Huh? Yes, 4 options. Shrimp game, Murder Mystery 2, Just to Impress, or wait. Hinahanap ko yung isa. Or ano ba yun? Sige, 3 options na lang. Shrimp game, Murder Mystery 2, Just to Impress. Or event. Ayun, event. Kasi, Shrimp game? Sige. Napatay nga ako sa gungging na yun eh. Tsaka pala yung character ko parang naka-headless, hindi naman naka-headless. Guys, pumunta ka na kayo dito. Uy guys, bili na. Kaya nga pala po naman dito lang sa labas. I played the game is before. Mali pa talaga yung spelling. Oh, nawala. Diyos ko. Okay. Sabi ko, I played these games before. Copy yarn. Latina. I'm a Latina girl. Joke lang. Pangalan ko dito, Yuri. I'm Vietnamese. Me too. Don't move. Bakit mo? Kasi sabi bakit mo ba sinasabi yung mas country mo? Hindi 450-60 players for 48 lang. Kaya yun. Okay, yan na. Sabi ng green light ay babaya. Mamaya na ako. Green light. Ha? Hoy! Paano? Rigged! Paano? Sabi daw green light. Oh, gumagalaw ako. Oh. Paano ako napatay? Diyos. Sabi daw green light. Gumagalaw ako. Tapos napatay ako. Huh? Ano yun? Gara. Ano kaya yun? Bangoy naman. Sige. 3 options na lang. Wag na yung shooting. Naiinis na ako dito eh. Murder mystery 2, evade, just impress, okay. Gusto ko talaga bagay si Lana Ray kasi imagine na pumunta ako sa server tapos nag-gig si Lana Ray tapos nag-video siya. Yuri nga, sabi, ayun na, Yuri, diba? Trendsetter pa ako. Valentine's update. Trendsetter pa ako. 1 Kamayan na yung dalawa. Pag nag-grade ako, dalawa na. Tapos pag tapos ng dalawa, end na yung video. Tapos na yung video. Diba? Easy lang. Chill brothers chill. Prisoner or cop. Siyempre cop. The house, I'm in paradise, always paradise. What do you think about those guys you feel so rude? Think outside the book and you like it. And no, my name is Happy Happy Young. Something the most sexy out. But child, I can try out. Think of the ruka. Tell me what loud. Tell me what the last of what. Sandalaw. The one na. You take me, you a liar. Oh, you got the star. Oh, Bonnie doy, Bonnie doy. Pagti ko. Baby, I'll do a look, yeah, I'll do a look, yeah, baby, I'll do a look, yeah, I'll do a look, yeah, yes, no, yes, no. Now I grow a luxury dude. Why you think about those guys you feel so good? Think outside the book and you like it. Think outside book, talking about my room. I'm bored, dude. Got to live good. We listen and we don't judge. Constable. There is a bit. Okay, guys. Who's your favorite? Felix or Thanos? I get juice. Wait, I forgot Felix's table. What's his name again? Go dude. Ganda ko nagkanta. Hindi ako umiiyak ha. Kasi may muta eh. ganda. Ay, hindi ako magre-reach dito sa Just Impress favorite game ko to eh. So, Just Impress tayo mag-e-end ng video. Wow. Sige, wait lang guys. Papakita ko sa inyo yung outfit ko. Okay. Inis, may lalaki pa. Punta nga ako sa VIP. Tignan mo guys. Cute ba? May bloodstains pa siya dito. Oh, ang cute talaga. Parang may nakalimutan. Talagang get away from it lang. Get away from it. Yuck! Two stars. Sige, mag-vote pair ako. Yun. Oh! Galing! Okay. 4. Impressive. Hulaan nyo ano tinatype ko dito ha. Nananadiva is a female version of Abahasta. I miss the style showdown. Oo nga, ang gara ng Just Impress. Alam mo kailan na yung bagong style showdown? Ay, naku, Diyos ko talaga. March 1st. Ay, naku talaga. Sa March 1st, February pa lang eh. Sorry. Wait. Alam mo bakit ako nag-sorry? Kasi may video pinost ni ano. Ha? Ano ba yung sinasabi ko ba? Yun. Kasi may nag-post si Great Craft sa yung titles, I'm sorry. Sa taas na pop-up. Diba? Lagi tayo meron na dun. Sabi na, tapos i-night up ko. Kasi nag-video ako, break. Sorry. Ano yan? Diva, you don't know style showdown is